Hello, and may the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Every year, may you be well, young men. Today, God willing, we have a new video in which we will talk about how to prove ownership by mobile. Subject: very easy and very simple. The most important thing is focus, not more. As usual, remember to send blessings on Prophet Muhammad before proceeding with the explanation. Enter. Exactly. Like this. And enter from below. Press on. It will be on Google. And you will wait moments after that. Press the Management Google account, but before you click on Manage Google account, make sure it's the right one that you want to confirm.